FaciliWorks categorizes and organizes your maintenance into either scheduled preventative maintenance and unscheduled corrective maintenance or work orders. Once you initiate the next date due for a scheduled task, FaciliWorks takes control and places the asset on the calendar. The calendar is color-coded by total estimate of hours for each day. The asset is also placed in a queue listed by the schedule date and color-coded if the maintenance is overdue. You take control when you want to create the PM orders, either collectively or one at a time. Your PM orders are now available to edit where necessary, to print, or export to a mobile device for your technicians to take into the field. Once your PM is completed, FaciliWorks will automatically set the next date due based on the task frequency and put your asset back on the calendar and queue list. If you prefer, FaciliWorks will automatically create the PM orders for you based on a designated time frame. Whatever's on your queue list will be created and available for your technicians to edit and complete. When you need a single PM order for several assets, use a route PM. The order of asset completion can be specified, guiding your technician in a route around your facility. If your scheduled maintenance involves several different jobs for your asset, as on a project, multiple task PMs are for you. Whatever your needs, FaciliWorks has the solution to maximize